I'm waiting of the other co-learner so that I can be a create good video for my viewers.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's introduce ourselves first.
Yes, ma'am. I am Nageshwar Rao. I work as a teacher in Andhra Pradesh. As far as my qualifications are concerned, I have completed my MA English, MSc Mathematics, and alongside my diploma in education. In my free time, I love watching cricket and I love to spend time with my children. In
Okay.
addition to that, recently I have started my YouTube journey like 2 months ago. Yeah, at the moment I'm completely focusing on my English fluency. That's all about me, ma'am.
Thank you so much for giving your wonderful introduction. So now I introduce myself. My name is Preeti. I'm having a degree of MBA. I was working before as a financial advisor. Now I'm not working. So recently I started my YouTube channel because I'm upskilling myself for this language. So that is why I started my YouTube channel. And I'm having a 2 kids as well. So that is brief about me. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's nice to hear you for your introduction.
Yeah. So we will discuss about, I think we will deep dive on the topic.
Yeah.
So today's topic is that, wait, we forget it. What topic? I think this is the money can be changed character, right? This is our today's topic. Money can be changed character. So what would you think about that? Money can be changed a people character or it's not?
Yes. Okay. In my opinion, money can change character.
Okay.
Yeah. If you don't have the enough money, like the money you expect, you desire, and you will be like to uh, poverty level. Then you think of the values, and you should think like okay, what people think if I do this, if I do that. But when you have money, you don't care about all these things. You have to keep like I have money, I can buy everything. You will feel like that if you have the enough money, in the sense crores, I would say. Yes. So in my opinion, money makes many things.
Yes.
Yeah, money can buy everything except the time. But in my opinion, if you utilize the time in a proper way, you will earn the money. If you waste the money, you will lose everything. That's my opinion, ma'am.
Okay.
What are your thoughts?
So my thought is that money has a two character. Money can change the two ways character. First is the positive way, like if you are getting enough money, you are getting too much money, then your character will be a responsible. You can be make your character like a responsible, and you are humble. You can create that kind of character also. But sometimes it's also a way of negative way, like when you are getting money, so you are disrespect like that. You think like your nature is arrogant, and you are not you are thinking like selfish like that. You think you are chasing the money, so you are not respecting to others. This is the two ways character will be happen. So like who are getting the money, some are thinking like they are positive way, so they are respect, they are taking a responsibility, they are taking care of other. Some people like who are getting money, they are just charity also, they are doing the charity, they are helping to others people, they are helping to their family also. But some people, they are getting too much money, they was thinking they are disrespect to others people. They are thinking like they have a money, so they are a very good person, they can do anything in their life. They are treating to others people like they are very small, and they are very become big like that. So that is not a good way. But definitely people character changed by the money also. Sometimes it's depend on us how we are creating our character by having the money. So if people are getting the money, so like who are getting like who are growing up down to earth, that people I have seen that people are not change their character in a negative way. they change their character by a positive way, because they know what is the value of money and how they are getting the money. So they are just respect to others. But who are having a already the money and they are getting crores and crores, so they are thinking whoever is downside from them, so they think they are not respecting to the elder one. They think they have a arrogant nature, they have a egoistic like that. So definitely money has been changed the people character, but it's depend on us how we are accepting the character, how we are creating our behavior, how we are thinking about if we are having the money, so how we are changing the our society. It's depend on us totally. So that is my point of view about the money. If the money has coming in anyone's side, so how we are changing, it's depend on us, how we are creating our environment, how we are respecting to other, how what we have to do that money. Sometimes I would ask one question also.
Yeah.
Like if you are getting a crores like that, so what will you about your future, what do you think about that money? What kind of feel, like what kind of thing you do for the society and yourself? Like if you have a you are getting a jackpot like that, so what do you do this money?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, it is. Imaginations also. It feels
Yes.
very nice. If I earn crores of money, I would spend on charities, half of them, developing the public schools, government schools, providing basic infrastructure like benches, bags, uniforms, and everything. Whatever they are needed for their development. I would definitely look after the government school children first of all, and the second one would be like spending in government hospitals. I think even the paracetamol is not available there in the government hospitals. We have to provide such basic medicine there, so I would spend on them. But if I earn the money, my mindset would not be like this. That is the real character of the human beings.
Right, right.
If I
You're
earn
correct.
if I earn crores of money, my mind will think like, okay, 1 crore. If I earn one more crore, I will have 2 crores.
Yes.
I might have think like that. I will think like that. Maybe who knows? So at the moment, I'm thinking like that. If I have money, my mindset would not be the same as I'm thinking at the moment.
Yeah, it's happened actually. It's a realistic thing is different. When we are going for the imagination, so that thing is different. Like I also imagine, like if I'm getting uh, crores like that, so I will invest. First, I will think about to the investment, so that we are getting the return from that money, reinvest like that. If I'm reinvesting, so I'm getting the money, then I will think about to the others, what we have to do our society, what we have to do our our children, and what we have to do our whatever you are already said that, like you do the for the schools and government school, government hospital, wherever you are living, so you do for that thing, that kind of environment you want to do change. So I also do to do first, I will think about the investment, but it's not a realistic thing. When I'm getting the realistic money, so I will think like I have to fulfill our desire first. It's happened
Exactly.
because we are
Exactly.
thinking about our fulfilling our desire. We are not thinking about to the others. When we are getting, it's a human tendency, it's a human being nature, can say. Because when we are getting the money, so we will think about ours first, then we are thinking about to others. Because some but one thing on the other hand, I have seen, when we are getting the money na, so we think we are not getting the time for using that money. When you are working somewhere, so your money you can't use, but your money will be used by your family person, like your children, your other family members also using their money, but you are not able to use your money because you don't have a time. That thing is also
Exactly.
happen, like whenever we are earning, we are getting, actually I am also working before, so that time I am not using my money. I was thinking whatever, I'm just saving the money for a future like that. But your money we like our money we are not using, but if you are going to others that time, like if anyone is giving the money to you, so you can use the money easily, but your money you can't utilize easily. I have seen that thing. So what would you think about that? Like you are using your money for yourself, like you are sorry, you are giving your money your family person. Sorry.
Yeah, most of money is for my family, so it's okay at the moment. People who saves more money will think like, as you mentioned, okay, if I save the money, I will spend the money later years, like when I become very sick, it will be useful. But as you mentioned, it is not possible to uh, spend the money the way you want, because you are old, you are sick. I think you don't have the right time to spend. So
Yes.
if you ask me about spending the money, you have to spend it not entirely, at least the 30 to 40% at the moment only. You live in the present. We have to live in the present. People, they try to invest everything, like 90% of their savings. I don't think it works. Maybe their children or the grandchildren will be wealthy, but in my opinion, you have to live your life in order to give your children the better life. Instead of you are spending your own money, you're investing on something. So that's my opinion, ma'am.
Yes, I agree with your point because now who are in Gen Z, we are talking about the Gen Z. They are thinking about their self only. They are not thinking about two other. They are thinking like they are living the present scenario. Why we are waiting for the future scenario? So that is why they are thinking like whatever they are doing, they have to enjoy their life presently. But in our earlier time, like we can say about our parents, and they are thinking about their children only. They think why we have to invest the money for our enjoyment, so they just raise there because in earlier time they are not having a too much money, but in present scenario we are getting enough money and we can enjoy our life, and we can get the all amenities according to us, whatever the required, whatever wherever we are living. So whatever the amenities we required, we are fulfilling all the thing. Then whatever the money we are getting, so we have to use that money for our enjoyment, like we can move here and then. Your voice is not coming, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
So
You can
like,
continue.
yeah, so like we can use that money for entertainment also, like if you want to enjoy your life. So why we are saving the money for our children? So our perspective should be we have to raise our children by the good education. If they have a good education, so definitely they can get good earning better than us. Why we are saving the money for them? So money should be,
Okay.
we don't save the money for them. We have to give the good education. If we are giving the good education, so definitely they will get the good earning. If they have a capability, they can do their better life. They can get the good opportunity in their life. Why we are saving the money? But in earlier time, our parents should be saving the money for their children and their grandchildren. They think like if I left this life, so who will take care of them? But we have to give the good education so that they can get better life in their life. So I think we should give them, not give the money to them. We have to raise a good children, good educated children, so that they can be wealthy in by their own. Because we have read it out about many books, like many respectable person, many honorable person. So they are become a rich not by their family wealth. They are become rich by their own. They have to do good thing in their life by their own. So that is the money is important, but it's not important for we have to saving the money for their children. It's not a good thing. We have to give the good education of our children, so that they can be become a good in their life. That's it, sir.
Exactly, ma'am. I totally agree with your words, ma'am. Instead of giving them the fish, you give them the skill to catch the fish. If you
Right.
give the fish, you will eat at once or twice. But if you give the skill set, like how to you use the hook, how to you catch the fish, that will be useful for the entire life. That's what we should create for our children. As you mentioned, the right education and the right foundation is mandatory for children's growth. I totally agree with you.
Yes, sir. So, what would you like to ask? Any question for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Why did you start learning English? Why?
Actually, yeah. So I'm learning this language because I'm upskilling myself. Before that, I was working, but now I'm not working. So I was thinking I have to upskills first so that I get something else. Like I can do anything by home, or maybe I got a better opportunity by the online like that. So that is why I'm upskilling. So now I started my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel will be enhance my skill, because if I communicate with the other co-learners, other person, so maybe in future I will get the earning. If not earning, so I will upskills myself. My communication will be also improved by that. That is why.
Exactly. Yes, ma'am. One more thing. At what point do you feel satisfied in this language? At what
Okay.
point?
I think there is not a ending of this journey. I have seen. Before 2 months, I started that journey, that communication journey. That time, I'm talking with like little sentences. I'm not talking when I'm going for any group communication. That time, I'm not talking properly. But I have seen now I can talk properly. I when we are getting any topic. So when like I'm here, right? I'm talking to with you. So before that, I have to read it out something about that. What is the value of money? What is that? I know I have a word, but if I read it now, so it's come in my mind what we have to express our thought. So that is the good way to express our thought, and this is the never ending journey. So I think we can't be satisfied that I'm a good and fluent speaker of that, but we are learning so many things. When we are achieving a one level, then we think about to the next level. After next level, we will think about the third level. So I think you are getting more and more about by this language, because so we now I started my YouTube channel, so that is about to the learning purpose. Maybe future I will start to the podcast like that. Podcast mean some kind of interview was there, so that is also will be happen. So but we have to be fluent, we have to understand that language, so I can be invite to the other people, they can be a part of my channel. So that will be happen when I will be a advanced speaker. So that is why it's not a, it's a never end journey.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You told absolutely correctly. Yeah, it's not at any point we should not be contented. We have to keep on doing what we are doing. And you said it's been only 2 months you started speaking. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, in 2 months you got the right flow and the right pronunciation and the fluency as well. What are the techniques you are using?
Sir, actually, before 2 months, I started create the environment first at my home. So whenever I listen anything, I just try to listen only in English, and as well as I talk with my children also. When my kids at home, so I try to talk with them in English. So initially they are not understanding, but when they are listening, whenever they are watching the TV, I also create the environment by watching the YouTube channel of the English YouTube channel. My kids always watching that English YouTube channel. Initially they are not taking the interest of them, but now they are taking interest because they understand what they want to say. But they understand, but they are not speaking, but at least they are understanding. So first I start to take a initiative to listen a lot, and then I try to talk with the co-learners in other platforms. So that way I am learning this language, and I in a whole day when I got the chance, so I try to speak by my children, as well as I try to listen, and I create my video also for by that conversation, by this.
Yeah. Creating such environment is the key to become fluent. Okay,
Yes.
and you're right. You're on the right way, I think.
Yes.
I'm
Thank you.
also very much junior. I have started my speaking journey 3 months ago. Yeah. Initially, I felt like it was difficult for me. I cannot express what I feel. Yeah. Since we are in the same boat, actually,
Yes.
I felt like I have been listening to English commentary or English YouTube videos, but I have never started speaking. I felt really nervous at the initial phase, but now I feel free and I can express what I really want to express.
So, sir, how how you start your journey? When comes in your mind like you have to start your communication in English?
Initially, I wanted to be a grammar teacher, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Almost for the past 5 years or so, I have been practicing my grammar. Uh, and I have a spoken English institute in our hometown in summer vacation. I do that actually. But once while I was scrolling, I watched a video of Ram sir. Do you
Yes,
ever
I
have
have.
Ram sir? Name?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, I know
he's
that.
from Tamil Nadu. I saw a video and he inspired me. Okay, I
Okay.
think I didn't know until then. I didn't know this kind of platform is there. Like YouTube conversational videos are there. I didn't know, but I came to understand. Okay, if I teach grammar, it takes some several time to become famous. But if I become fluent, it will be much easier for me to be fluent, and it will be useful for me for my children as well. So I decided to shift my journey from the grammar teacher to
Okay.
spoken teacher. So that's how it's going.
So I also learning the same way. I think we both are on the same boat. You already said that. So I'm also
Exactly.
started that journey like according to actually I was to inculcate my children also by that language. So that is why I also learn so that my children also can speak because we have to create the environment for them. Nobody will create the environment. So that is why like I start my journey and I create my YouTube channel also. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we struggle a lot to come here to this level.
Yes. I
I think
struggle a lot.
if you have given the right foundation to our children, it will be much easier for them. So we have to create such kind of environment and such kind of foundation for them. So I'm currently working on creating such kind of a foundation for my two wonderful children.
Yes, yes. So, sir, I think we are running out of the time. So, do you have any question for me?
No questions, man, but I would like to add one more thing.
Yes.
Before this session, I was not confident of speaking on one topic for 10 minutes. But
Okay.
today I somehow managed to complete the task. So I feel really happy and I feel really thankful to you for the great opportunity.
Thank you so much for having me. Actually, when we are talking any topic now, so we are getting the new words and we think too much because we are not thinking now, so our communication will not be improved. I think so. That is why I try to talk with the topic, and we will because when we are actually yesterday I also created a one video with one ma'am. I forget her name. So we have a one session with her. That time I didn't read it anything. So that time we are stucking. When we are reading something, na, that time we know the word, what we have to say, what we have to express. Because we don't, when we are talking any topic, na, we don't have a knowledge about that. If we don't have a knowledge, so how will you express your thoughts? So that is why first we have to read it out about that. So after reading, if you go for any conversation, so that is good for us, like we can express our thought in a good way. So that is why, sir. Thank you so
Exactly.
much for having me, sir. And I think we have to wind up this session.
Yes, ma'am. It's a wonderful session and I'm really thankful to you. And if there is a chance, and please send the video, ma'am.
Yes, yes, sir. Definitely, I will
Yeah.
send you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Okay.
much.